Hello dear students, in this video we are starting a new lesson about irreducible fractions, but before we learn, let's quickly review what fractions are. Okay, here we have one whole pizza, right? One whole pizza. Okay, if you take one slice of the pizza, then this slice is called a part. So here you take one part of the pizza out of the whole pizza. So if the pizza is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal slices and you take one, then here we are talking about fractions. The fraction shows us how many parts you take out of the whole equal parts. Okay, so here if you take one slice, then we write 1 over or out of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 5 equal pieces, parts. Okay, so if you take one slice of the pizza out of the whole, which is 5, so you take you write the fraction as 1 over 5. So 1 is the number of parts taken from a whole, the number of parts that you take, and 5 is the total number of equal parts in a whole. Okay, pay attention that when you write fractions, when you want to write a fraction, the total parts must be divided equally. So the slices of pizza must be divided equally in order to be able to write them as a fraction. Okay? Okay. The one which is the part is called always the numerator. So the number that is above the dash up, we call it numerator. And the number down, we call it what? Denominator. So the parts are called the numerator and the total number is called the denominator. Okay. Let's look at more examples. If we have a sandwich and if we divided it into 4 equal parts and you eat 3 parts, so you eat 3 parts over out of how many parts do we have? We have 4 parts, so it's 3 over 4. Okay. If you have a chocolate bar containing how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A chocolate bar has 12 equal pieces, كلن equal to each other. Okay, and you eat 5 of them. Then you eat how much? You eat 5 out of the total parts اللي هن 12. Okay, here we have a window and the window is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 6 equal parts. And the painter here colors how many parts? He colors 3 out of the 6. So it's 3 over the total, which is 6. Okay. If a birthday cake is divided into how many parts? Into 4 equal parts. Here the birthday cake is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. And you take one slice of the cake. Then it's 1 over how much? Over 4. Okay. If a circle is divided into 2 colors, the red color and a yellow color, and the boy chooses to take the red color, the red part, then he takes one part out of of 1 to out of the 2 parts.